Oh no. Chain came off. Yeah, I'll wait. I don't have to fix shit no more, thank God. Still broken. Chain broke. Not my fault. By the way, this fucking place is huge. You got a building over there. It goes all the way around. It goes all the way around. Still got shit way the fuck over there. It's fucking massive. And then they got a fucking barge way the fuck over there by the water. Dang. And then my area. I don't know how stupid they are. Give me the biggest goddamn piece of equipment they got. So after getting fuel and shit, walking the crane, ain't nobody gonna explain why that's fucking broke. That one's there. But what the fuck, like? I don't like night shift. Just broke that motherfucker, just straight up. Ain't gonna tell me shit about it till today.